So what you want, the reason that EBITDA is the number that everybody uses
Mhm.
is because you're looking at the things, you're taking out the things that will artificially deflate earnings. You're going straight for what are the actual operating profits of the company. And to do that, you want to add back non-cash expenses that are accounting terms used or accounting concepts that are used to account for useful lives of assets that might decrease in value over time. That's depreciation. That's the D in EBITDA. The
Uh-huh.
A is amortization, because if you've acquired intangible property rights like patents, copyrights, trademarks, or goodwill, we as accountants say we're going to amortize that over a period of time to say that, the useful life of that goodwill is really 21 years. So we're going to divide that by 21 and artificially take this amount out. Those aren't real expenses to the company. Now, ultimately, the company will, when its assets, like a depreciable asset that has a useful life, runs out of its useful life, it will have to be replaced. So rather than having all of that take place from an accounting standpoint at one time, we're dragging it out over a period of years. But the truth is that neither depreciation nor amortization are actual cash expenses that are coming out. So we add those back in EBITDA. And then interest is added back because interest is typically not an operational expense that's directly related to the realization of income from operations. It is instead usually a financing device. So it's not actually an operations expense. And then taxes obviously could be up or down depending on ownership, location, structure, etc. Again, not an operating expense. So those four items are added back using EBITDA universally because it really gives you a true picture of what is the operating profit of the company.